Hey, good morning, everybody. I just picked up a while ago the pichay on my garden. Very fresh. Already done a cutting. Then here, I separate the leaves and then the stalk. It's because today, me and Philip were going to make a taco. So instead of using the lettuce, we just use our vegetables in the garden. So it's fresh rather than lettuce. So anyhow, we don't have lettuce. We don't have lettuce, so this one maybe will do it. So I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I already have here done chopping garlic and onion. Then the pichay, leaves pichay. This is the tortillas. We pick up this one in Tagbilaran when we went. Then cheese, mozzarella. Yum yum. Then I cook here the beef, ground beef. I'm going to fry this one with onion and garlic. See the ground beef here. I already add garlic and onion and a little bit olive oil, then seasoning. I just use this one, garlic and pepper. Yeah, smells good. Hey guys, I'll be the one to make my own here because the two guys here are busy munching their taco. So first time I make taco here.
Yep, let me do this, honey. Spread out the meat.
I want the mozzarella here.
Yeah, we got mozzarella at the bottom.
I wish you mix this one like that.
Gonna throw some lettuce on there. And then you can't have a taco without taco sauce. And of course, we've got Tostitos salsa. And that's what the taco sauce is, basically. We get it all set here.
The picture, this is from our garden, guys. You know.
Yep. And Beth is ready to eat here.
Wow, my taco. Kami? Let's eat, guys. Chili.
The what?
Hot.
The meat might be a little bit hot here.